This screencast is to show you how to access, complete, and submit your virtual notebook for week 4. The first thing that you're going to do is open up the week 4 virtual notebook in the week 4 Schoology folder. And once this opens up, you're going to have a page that has the rubric and the directions on it, as well as this video. So it looks like this. And then right here where mine says in progress, yours will say my document. So I'll show you what that looks like from the student view. So again, I'm going to open up the virtual notebook, and then the student view of this says my document. So you'll just click right there, and then your document will show up here. Mine isn't going to show up because my Google Drive isn't connected, but yours will automatically show up. If for whatever reason it doesn't, you can click on right here where it says click here, and you'll be prompted to connect your Google Drive. You can also click on this edit button, and that will open up this assignment in a new tab so that you can work on it in a bigger format. So if we go back to this notebook, I'm just going to open that up. You'll see we've got a spot for your name again this week, and then there's tabs down the side. Each of these tabs are actually links to other slides. So if you've got this open and you want to jump to the Thursday section of the notebook, you'll be able to just click on this Thursday tab right here on the side once it loads, and it will jump you right to the first page of Thursday. So for each day of the week, you're going to just work through the notebook. So on Monday, you'll be reading this short summary of a chunk of text. And then also on Monday, some characterization notes have already been filled out for you. And then most of this notebook this week is going to be space for you to take your reading notes. So just like last week, we've got the chunks that we're reading and directions down here at the bottom. You're going to take your notes in these text box and then highlight your notes, literal, inferential, and critical, green, yellow, or red. Also on each of these pages is a little sound icon. If you click on that, it will take you to the audiobook for We Were Here. So if you'd like to listen to the book while you read it, the links on these slides will take you directly to the video that you need for each chunk. So this is what we're going to be doing for most of the week on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then on Thursday, you've got an event chart that you'll be completing. So we'll talk about how to do this when we're in class, but again, an example is done for you on the left, and then you'll complete the right-hand side, and there's directions at the bottom. So then again, we'll have some reading pages, and then we will finish up with our notebook. Also in this week's notebook are 2 new tabs. So we've got a resources tab and a checklist tab. Within the resources tab are 3 different things that might help you with what we're doing this week. So we've got a video on LIC note-taking that Mr. Hine created that can give you some help and guidance if you're struggling with that. Also right here is a link to the digital copy of We Were Here for quick access. And then here is the whole audiobook on YouTube if you need to go back or skip ahead to different sections that aren't linked on your slides. So that's the resources tab. And then the last thing is the checklist tab. So here is everything that you should have completed within this virtual notebook. And as you complete it, you can just click and drag each of these check marks to the check boxes to help you keep track of what it is you've completed and what you still need to do throughout the week. So once you have completed your whole checklist, your whole slides, you're going to return back to Schoology and click on the Submit Assignment button, which again, you'll find right next to that Edit button in Schoology. And you'll know this is submitted when you've got that green check mark that says Submitted. Let me know if you have any questions while you're working on your notebook this week.